Hi, everyone. My name is Shaelyn Ward, and I'm a current OMS1 at OSU College of Osteopathic Medicine at the Cherokee Nation. Today, I'll be presenting a poster walkthrough of our study on a longitudinal analysis of gender and geographical bias in NIH research from the Allergy, Immunology, and Transplantation study section. My co-author on this abstract was Katherine, and our mentor, Dr. Vassar, helped us as well. To start with the introduction, scientific research studies and funding should promote diversity, equity, and inclusion to represent those who contribute to scientific advancement. Those who identify as a woman and those who reside in certain geographical areas influence underrepresentation in the scientific community. A review of medical literature found that only 1/3 of all first authors were female. It has also been reported that 15 states received 29% more funding than any other states. The objectives of our study were to determine if gender bias was present in the NIH study panels that we looked at, and also to determine if geographical areas played a part in this. So the methods that we used, member rosters were retrieved from the NIH study section, Allergy, Immunology, and Transplantation, for all meetings held in 2011, 2016, and 2021. We used a pilot-tested Google form for data collection of each section's member names, affiliation, academic degree, and geographic location in the United States. Gender was determined through website searches of the associated institution, and if that could not be found, we used genderize.io, and we needed a number greater than 0.6. So as you can see in our graphs in the middle here, the region that had the greatest in 2011 was the South, with about 44%. In 2016, all of the geographic regions were about the same. In 2021, the West was the lowest, with only 17%. But as it trended upward, they all became more equal. As you can see down here, gender trends across study panel years, the red line is males. So there was an obvious decrease over the years, and the blue line is females, and there's an obvious increase over the years. So by 2021, the numbers were about equal. So to conclude, women were less represented in study sections in the past compared to more recent years. There was an observable increase over time for women participation. 2016, all 4 regions had equal representation in geography. 2021, they were also equally represented, except the West. So the only outlier was the South in 2011. Overall, sex bias in the scientific community has declined over time as women gain more representation and inclusion within scientific studies. It seems that geographic representation has become more equally distributed over time. However, more data is needed to make this conclusion, and also more data into the other study sections that the NIH funds. And here are references. Thank you.